Charlotte and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an empty apartment tour of the new apartment that I have shifted in, and it has kind of become a series. I did a vlog, moving vlog, and I'll link it here, and I also did that candid Charlotte video where I talked about my toxic roommate and all that stuff. So I'll link that as well in the description box below so that you guys can go and check it out. And this video is going to be about new beginnings and my new apartment, which I absolutely love. So finding an apartment during the time of COVID was pretty difficult because no one was allowing us to go and view the apartments and everything was online, so we did not see the apartment that we are living in physically. We just saw it online, we just saw the video of the apartment and we absolutely loved it. So I'll give you a little background about this apartment and the rent, cost of living and everything so that you have an idea. So this apartment is in the Fenway Back Bay area. I'm not going to give you the exact location, and this is one of those really expensive areas because it is in the main city. So this apartment that I'm living in is a one bed split. So basically in one bed split they transform the living room into another room that you can either use as a living room or as a bedroom, and we are currently using 2 rooms in this apartment as bedrooms, so that works out pretty well. So the rent for this apartment is $2,300 per month, and I know this rent is really steep for like a 1-bedroom split apartment, but staying in the city the apartments usually go for this price. There has been a reduction in prices due to COVID, but for this particular apartment there has not been any reduction because we signed the lease before the companies and the management started reducing the rent, so we are paying the full rent. And I decided to take you guys through the empty apartment. So I saw the apartment the day I was going to shift, so I filmed this apartment video and then I just moved into this apartment. So yeah, there was a lot going on. So the rent only includes the heat and hot water. We have to pay for the electricity and Wi-Fi, and this building also has a laundry in the basement. It has this coin system where you need quarters to do your laundry, so that also works. And since I shoot my videos in the natural light, having natural light in the apartment is really important for me. So this apartment is perfect. It has beautiful windows and the apartment is park facing and it gets a good amount of sunlight in the morning till the day, so it works perfectly for me. And that's it about the apartment and the things that I wanted to tell you. Let me know in case you have any questions in the comments below. In case I have missed something, I'll just answer that in the comments. And without wasting any further time, let's start with the empty apartment tour.
So this apartment is a 481 square feet apartment, and as soon as you enter the apartment, on the left there's a wardrobe or a closet with a door in it, which is an upgrade from my last apartment where I just had a rod in the name of a closet, and it has a few shelves and coat hooks and rods, so it is pretty spacious. And next to the closet is the first room that can be either used as a bedroom or a living room, and we're currently using it as a bedroom. This room has beautiful bay windows. Due to these windows, the room gets amazing sunlight in the morning, which lasts up until the day around 3 to 4 p.m. and I absolutely love the hardwood floors and I'm obsessed with them. They are a little bit darker than the usual orange floor that these apartments usually have, and the window has a tree in front of it, which gives us ample amount of privacy as well. Once you get out of the room, next to the room is this cute little kitchen, and I am absolutely in love with the kitchen as well because it has granite countertops, which is such a luxury because the last apartment literally had ply for the counter, and it also has these drawers which will hold a lot of stuff. It comes with an oven and a refrigerator. Next to the kitchen is the washroom, and it is a decent sized washroom for an apartment in the main city in the Fenway, Boston area. And as soon as you enter the washroom, you see a full size bathtub, which is really nice. And there's this medical cabinet that has a lot of storage to keep your skincare and stuff like that. And I was pretty excited to see this one because in the last one it was literally falling off the wall. So this is my excited little dance in the middle of seeing my apartment for the first time, because apparently I'm really excited about the fact that the medical cabinet is not falling off the wall like it was in my last apartment. So there's this full-sized tub and the shower area which could use a shower curtain, and I am obsessed with these little tiles on the bathroom floor. And finally, moving on to the last room of the apartment, it is the second bedroom, and it also has bay windows. It has this light on the roof which is typical of Boston apartments. The windows of this room as well look onto the park and the street. And the closet for this room is inside the room only, and it has a door for the closet too, and it is pretty spacious for a Boston apartment.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also shout out to the hoodie that I'm wearing. It says Culinary Goddess and it is from an amazing store called Overseasoned Amy on Instagram. I'll link that in the description box in case you want to get yourself this hoodie. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time, next Monday. Until then, bye.